Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Monday.com CRM boards for sales tracking step by step clearly. To activate Monday.com CRM boards for sales tracking, start by logging into your Monday.com account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the left sidebar. Click on the Add button located at the bottom of the sidebar. From the options that appear, select New Board. In the pop-up window, name your board something relevant, such as sales tracking. Choose the board type as main, then click Create Board. Once the board is created, you can customize it by adding the necessary columns. To do this, click on the plus Add Column button. You may want to add columns such as lead name, status, value, and due date. To set up each column, choose the appropriate column type from the options provided. For example, use the status column for current lead status and the numbers column for sales value. After adding your columns, begin populating your board with leads. Click on the plus Add Item button to input a new lead. Enter all relevant details for each lead in the corresponding columns. To enhance your tracking, use filters to sort leads by status or due date. This will provide a clearer view of your sales pipeline. Next, you can automate certain actions to streamline your workflow. Click on the Automation button at the top of the board. Select an automation that suits your sales tracking needs, like notifying you when a lead changes status. Follow the prompts to set up the automation parameters. Once done, you can view your progress through various views, such as Kanban or Timeline. To switch views, click on the View options at the top right of your board. This customization makes it easier to visualize your sales process. Finally, regularly update the board to reflect changes and keep your sales tracking accurate. With these steps, your Monday.com CRM board is fully activated for effective sales tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.